Our demand to release Maazị Nnamdi Kanu have been taken for granted by Nigeria federal government. Therefore, we are going to take a dangerous step on this. Simon Ekpa. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. For here, news not the finish. Ogbonge news not the finish at all. They bring them back to back, come for you. If you never subscribe to this channel, I beg, wait till you dey wait. May you subscribe for this channel. Just click that place where they write subscribe. Just subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that anytime we will upload, you will be the first person to get the update. That's why they say every time, turn on your notification bell and also follow our page Balabas Gist. Okay, my people, no be smart, you know. The PM will be Prime Minister Biafra government in exile. Don't come outside, can't all say. Since we be saying Nigeria government be like say the one they use them, they do ping pong. Say like this now, it go enter a dangerous phase. He say many things for this video. I want you to watch this video from the beginning to end. He say all those ones where we say they be security for Nigeria security where they for Biafra territory. He say now woto you want give them now. No be smart, you know. No go, my mouth no go talk and finish. May you watch the video from beginning to end.
From tomorrow, the liberation of Biafra will enter a different phase. The phase that you have never seen, never in the struggle for Biafra. For the very first time in the history of Biafra, we are going to have a curfew that will last for 3 weeks. It will start tomorrow. Our demand for the freedom and the release of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu has been cajoled by the terrorist state of Nigeria. And I want to make it very clear today. The reason Biafra must exit by fire, by force. We are fighting for survival. After the 1914 amalgamation of Nigeria, there has never been peace. In Nigeria today, our cultures are irreconcilable. Our religions are mowed apart. The way we worship are different. Our mentalities are so different. Even the languages that we speak in Nigeria, absolutely strange to each other. And I remember from the history that as far back as 1947, Chief Obafemi Awolowo, from the Yoruba origin of Nigeria, said that Nigeria is not a nation. Of course, we all know what nation is all about. A nation is a country or entity that people have something, everything in common. Language, culture, values. He's told us that Nigeria is a mere geographical expression. There are nothing like Nigerians in the same way or in the same sense like the Welsh, the English, and the French. And of course, he went further to say that Nigeria is merely a distinctive appellation to distinguish those who lives within the neighboring boundaries of Nigeria and those who do not. Everybody knows this is a common thing, you know, within every historian in Nigeria. To date, nobody has got that audacity in Nigeria now to say contrarily to those declarations. From 1945, Biafra people has paid ultimate price, from the pogrom in the north to the massacre of Biafrans in the southwest to killing of Biafran in the southeast and the eastern region of Biafra by the Nigeria security agencies. Between 2013 to 2017, we have witnessed the worst massacre of Biafrans within our own territory, within our own land, by the Nigeria security agencies. We've seen the way Biafrans were dehumanized. We've seen war crime committed in our own soil. And those that are ordering this particular genocide and war crimes are those who were elected to hold a political position within the Biafra territory, to represent Nigeria. They have never represented the interest of the Biafra people. They have never represented the interest of a common man. But what they do is to steal. And then they are being used as a tool for the divide and rule tactics of the Fulanese. I listened and watched from the great mirror how they are running helter-skelter in Abuja. Those who call themselves political leaders from the eastern region of Nigeria today, which is Biafra. The man from Imo State, the one from Anambra, the other one from Enugu State. These are the three governors that we are going to open the gate of hell from tomorrow. They kidnapped Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, whose only crime was to ask for something good for the people of Biafra. They kidnapped an extraordinary rendition Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, whose only crime was to set up a security outfit to make sure that the people in Biafra land did not live in IDP camp that were never provided for even the people in Benue State. And they went to Kenya, connived with the Kenya government, kidnapped him, tortured him for many days before they extraordinary rendition him to Nigeria. And those in Imo State, those in Anambra, those in Enugu State, some of them are planning, thinking that they are going to capture Simon Ekpa, extraordinary rendition Simon Ekpa to Nigeria. I will be their end. The way you are targeting Simon Ekpa is the way Simon Ekpa is targeting you. From tonight, there is no step you take I am not aware of. I am waiting for you to make a move. But know this fact. I am more closer to you than you can ever be to me. Those looking for Simon Ekpa to kidnap, my word to you this evening is that I am more closer to you than you will ever be to me. You will understand that in a matter of days. Fellow Biafrans, from tonight, going out to tomorrow, which is the 18th day of September 2023, we are entering the second phase of the Biafra liberation. The first ever curfew will start on Tuesday. And I am mandating the Biafra Liberation Army, the Biafra resistance fighters from tonight. Every Nigeria security agent you see in Biafra land, do not allow them to breathe. Don't give them any breathing space. From tonight, it is called self-defense. The most aggressive self-defense is what we are activating from tonight. I know you can never run out of bullet. Make sure no Biafra son and daughter is hurt. Make sure no civilian is hurt. But you see anybody wearing Nigeria security agents in Nigeria, in Biafra land, engage them. Don't give them any breathing space. It is the only way to avenge the death of millions of Biafrans and those that have enforced their disappearance from 2013 to date. We are going to give the Nigeria security agencies hell in our land until they leave. I want you to understand that what we are doing now is the delegitimization of Nigeria government within Biafra land. They come with guns and ammunition to kill. And they think that by bringing armored tanks, they are going to force us to continue to be in Nigeria. It is not going to end, the way they wanted it. We are now armed. We are armed, well armed, like them. We are armed like them. They come with machine gun. We have machine gun. The only thing we don't have now is armored tank. And I am mandating the Biafra Liberation Army from tonight. Do not burn any armored tank. Collect it from them. Collect it. We are going to need it. All those armored tanks, anywhere you see them come with armored tank, target the armored tank, don't burn it. Collect it. We will need it to defend our land in the nearest future, which is coming very soon. The Nigeria security agents, from police to army to custom to anything that carries gun, any Nigeria security agents that carries gun in Biafra land, they are our enemy. Do not allow them to breathe. They have killed enough. And now it is time for a payback. We're going to make sure that nobody will be killed again by the Nigeria security agents. You remember how they were burning the houses? Those who are bringing them to burn those houses, we are going to also make them homeless. Everywhere where that particular security agencies of the Nigeria terrorist group have burned our villages, burned our house, those who bring them will also be made homeless.
My wonderful people, welcome back as I've watched that video and hear everything will be PM Biafra government in exile Simon Ekpa say in this particular video. He says so many things, so and I want me you leave your own opinion for this video. If you support everything where Simon Ekpa say for here, may you rest support. If you get your own agreement, may you still drop out for comment section. Let's talk about it. We know say things are really going on right now, but the truth of the matter is that when you don't welcome people and you don't want that person in your life, you don't want that person, the best thing to do is to let the person go. But it can be because of what is sustaining you, what you are benefiting from, you are your masters, what you people are living upon belongs to those people. And because of that reason, you don't want to let them in society, you don't want to let them to do anything, you don't want to let them to be part of the game. You people are only putting them where you can kick them, where you can kick them anytime to move. The key position, you seize it. Not even that you don't know how to manage all those key positions that you are, but you just want to occupy it. And you put millions of people in suffer. Millions of people are suffering because you refuse to choose the right people for the right work. And you expect those people to fold their arms and still clapping for you. Unbelievable. Hey, things are really happening. Well, my people, I want to leave you. May you contribute for this video where Simon Ekpa can talk. See you in the next video. Stay tuned. A lot of updates is coming.